friends! Today I'm drawing a colorful baseball popit using glitter colors. So grab your colors and let's get started. Glittyartenglish! First, I draw a big circle shape to make the base of the baseball. Next, I draw several straight lines inside the circle to divide it into sections. Then, I draw the top curved line and add small stitch marks to make it look like a real baseball. Now, I draw the bottom curved line and add stitches there too. Now it's time to draw the popit circles. I carefully draw them inside each section. Did you know? Baseball is one of the most popular sports in the United States. The ball has red stitches and is used in games where players hit, run, and catch. It's also a symbol of fun and teamwork. After drawing, I start coloring the sections with glitter. I color the first two sections with glitter red. Then I fill the third section with glitter orange. Next, I color the fourth section glitter yellow. The fifth section gets a bright glitter green. After that, I use glitter sky blue for the sixth section. And finally, I color the last section with shiny glitter purple. Look how colorful and sparkly the baseball looks. It's fun, creative, and super easy to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun popit art. Bye-bye!